just spent hundreds of dollars on a giant, extra-large kitchen appliance, only to realize it takes over your entire counter and burns your food on the outside while leaving the inside raw. You are standing in your kitchen at 7 p.m., exhausted, staring at a massive metallic box that is somehow making dinner take twice as long. We have all been sold the lie that bigger always means better in the kitchen. You buy these oversized counter monsters thinking you will cook massive family meals in minutes. Instead, you end up cooking in frustrating shifts anyway because the heat distribution is completely broken. Or worse, it takes 20 minutes just to preheat, heating up your entire house and spiking your electric bill. You are left with soggy fries, dried out chicken, and a sink full of giant removable parts that do not even fit in your dishwasher. It is frustrating, expensive, and leaves you wondering why cooking a simple dinner feels like a full-time job. After testing dozens of kitchen appliances and analyzing the thermal dynamics of residential cooking, I discovered the dirty secret appliance manufacturers do not want you to know. And once you understand how they trick you, you will never look at kitchen capacity the same way again. Here is the truth nobody tells you about large capacity appliances. Most brands increase volume by simply stretching the internal chamber, but they keep the exact same weak heating elements and slow fans. This creates massive cold spots, destroys air circulation, and forces the machine to run much longer at lower effective temperatures. That is why your food ends up rubbery on the inside, dry on the outside, and unevenly cooked throughout. True high-efficiency cooking is not about raw physical volume. It is about heat density and high-velocity air circulation. When an appliance is too big without the power to back it up, you are essentially paying to heat empty, dead space. But here is the catch. How do you get rapid, restaurant-quality crisping for real family portions without buying a massive, inefficient box? I am about to reveal the exact thermal method that solves this in a fraction of the time. The secret is focused thermal density paired with superheated, high-velocity air. Instead of trying to heat a giant, empty chamber with slow ambient air, you need concentrated heat that envelopes every single inch of your food simultaneously. This micro-cyclonic airflow seals in moisture instantly, while crisping the exterior up to 4 times faster than a standard oven. When you use this high-density airflow method, you get incredible crunch, using up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. You get full batch capacity without sacrificing your valuable counter space or waiting forever for a preheat cycle. But how do you actually apply this high-velocity cooking at home without spending a fortune? That is where the Ninja Max XL air fryer comes into play. This 5-liter powerhouse is engineered specifically to deliver 1,750 watts of superheated air, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Its specialized Max Crisp technology circulates rapid, high-density heat through a custom ceramic-coated basket designed for optimal airflow. That means you can throw 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings inside and get perfectly uniform, golden crispiness in minutes. It heats up almost instantly, slashing your cooking time in half and cutting down your energy usage compared to traditional wall ovens. Plus, the non-stick ceramic basket makes cleanup effortless because it rinses off in seconds and fits easily into your dishwasher. Thousands of home cooks have already ditched their clunky multi-cookers for this exact unit, reporting crispier food with zero hassle. But you might be wondering, is a 5-liter capacity actually enough for a hungry household, or will you still be stuck cooking in batches? You might think a 5-liter basket sounds smaller than those giant toaster oven-style monstrosities sitting on store shelves. However, because of its optimized vertical layout and intense circulation, you actually get more usable, high-heat cooking space than bulky multi-tier ovens. Food cooks so rapidly that even if you choose to make a second batch, it finishes before your family can even set the table. You get maximum cooking performance without losing your entire countertop or wrestling with greasy, hard-to-clean racks. If you are ready to stop wasting time, energy, and counter space on oversized appliances that underdeliver, it is time to make the smart move. Click the direct link below right now to lock in an exclusive 18% discount on the Ninja Max XL. Upgrade your kitchen today before this limited time offer expires and start making faster, crispier meals tonight.